What is the causative agent of false smut disease that was recently seen in news? Your options: A. Bacteria, B. Virus, C. Fungus, D. Protozoa. Answer: C. Fungus. According to the National Crime Records Bureau (NCRB) report, which state reported the highest number of farm suicides in 2023? Your options: A. Maharashtra, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Karnataka. Answer: A. Maharashtra. Which space organization has launched the Interstellar Mapping and Acceleration Probe (IMAP) mission? Your options: A. Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency (JAXA), B. National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA), C. European Space Agency (ESA), D. Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO). Answer: B. National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA). International Civil Aviation Organization (ICAO) is a specialized agency of which international body? Your options: A. World Trade Organization (WTO), B. United Nations (UN), C. North Atlantic Treaty Organization (NATO), D. European Union (EU). Answer: B. United Nations (UN). Lecanemab drug, that was recently seen in news, is used to treat which disease? Your options: A. Multiple sclerosis, B. Tuberculosis, C. Alzheimer's disease, D. Huntington's disease. Answer: C. Alzheimer's disease. Where was the 11th World Green Economy Summit, WGES, 2025 held? Your options: A. Dubai, B. Abu Dhabi, C. Riyadh, D. Cairo. Answer: A. Dubai. Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? Your options: A. Tamil Nadu, B. Goa, C. Karnataka, D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer: B. Goa. Which institution has launched a tool called Saral to make scientific research more accessible? Your options: A. Anusandhan National Research Foundation (ANRF), B. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research (CSIR), C. Niti Aayog, D. Ministry of Skill Development. Answer: A. Anusandhan National Research Foundation (ANRF). Which state, UT, has become the first in India to conduct a full population estimation of snow leopards? Your options: A. Sikkim, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Ladakh. Answer: C. Himachal Pradesh. Sir Creek is a tidal estuary separating which Indian state, UT, from Pakistan? Your options: A. Gujarat, B. Rajasthan, C. Punjab, D. Jammu and Kashmir. Answer: A. Gujarat. A new coffee plant species named Ophiorhiza achinata was recently discovered in which region of India? Your options: A. Western Ghats, B. Eastern Ghats, C. Sundarbans, D. Himalayas. Answer: A. Western Ghats. Infectious bovine rhinotracheitis (IBR) disease, that was recently seen in news, is caused by which agent? Your options: A. Bacteria, B. Virus, C. Fungus, D. Protozoa. Answer: B. Virus. Anant Shastra surface-to-air missile system is developed by which organization? Your options. A. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. B. Bharat Dynamics Limited, BDL. C. Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. D. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. Answer. D. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. Which Indian institute has developed the new siphon-based thermal desalination system? Your options. A. Indian Institute of Science, IISc. B. Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. C. CSIR, National Chemical Laboratory, NCL. D. Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. Answer. A. Indian Institute of Science, IISc. What is the name of the new AINGIS, Geographic Information System, command system launched by Border Security Force, BSF, in 2025? Your options. A. Border Command System, BCS. B. Decision Support System, DSS. C. Smart Border Management System, SBMS. D. Integrated Command Platform, ICP. Answer. B. Decision Support System, DSS. What is the name of India's first space astronomy observatory which recently completed 10 years of operation? Your options. A. Astrosat. B. Chandrayaan. C. INSAT 3C. D. Vikram. Answer. A. Astrosat. A rare lizard species named Beddoes cat skink, that was recently seen in news, is endemic to which region of India? Your options. A. Himalayas. B. Eastern Ghats. C. Western Ghats. D. Sundarbans. Answer. C. Western Ghats. Where was the harbour phase of Jal Prahar Exercise 2025 conducted? Your options. A. Kolkata. B. Vishakhapatnam. C. Chennai. D. Kochi. Answer. B. Vishakhapatnam. Agri-Stack scheme is implemented by which ministry? Your options. A. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. B. Ministry of Cooperation. C. Ministry of Food Processing Industries. D. Ministry of Rural Development. Answer. A. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. What is the primary objective of the PME Drive scheme? Your options. A. Develop railway electrification projects. B. Accelerate adoption of electric vehicles and build EV ecosystem. C. Promote solar energy in rural areas. D. Increase export of petroleum products. Answer. B. Accelerate adoption of electric vehicles and build EV ecosystem.